20-25 kilometer gap has evolved into no man's land, and trench systems run alongside the area. Fight seems to be continuing, and there seems to be no real conclusion. The fight continues to draw out unto an unconclusive end. Okay, the war is a stalemate, where, like in Sinai Peninsula, Israel has made no significant progress due to its weakened air force over multiple attacks and multiple losses. The Egyptian army and the Arab League was way too prepared for the attempt at Sinai Peninsula, whereas the Gaza Strip has now been claimed by Israel. Israel now successfully has its dominance over the Gaza Strip. Moreover, the Golan Heights have now been fortified, and they sort of also seem to be a hot spot for fighting and shells exchange. Thing is that fights and shell exchange fighting continues regularly there, but it's very scattered, and it's more or less sort of like modern day India Pakistan sort of fire exchange. Prime Minister, if there's anything remaining, you should share
And
to the country.
finally, in Jerusalem, Bethlehem, no man's land has been declared. Trench system runs through the area, and the western part of Jerusalem has been demolished by the Arab missiles, and eastern part where the holy city is located is under Israel's control. I hope you have all liked the conclusion to the crisis. It is ultimately still a stalemate, and I hope you've met the cockatiels as well now. And if you would like to stay connected with me, Vardhan, and the Arab president as well, do let us know by email. We'll be happy to send you individual feedback as well. We'll probably send you an concluding email as well, containing some like details to stay connected with us, etc. And of course, continue with the MOU now.
You can also message us for feedback in WhatsApp if you need it. Any member of the Israeli cabinet, we'll be glad to provide it. Also, now we'll be going ahead with the motion for entertainment. Let's do it quickly.
And just the feedback form will be sent to you. Vardhan, just send the feedback form on the WhatsApp.
Yeah, I'll send it as soon as this thing is done.
Yeah.
Chair, PM, Deputy PM, before you people leave for closing ceremony, can we just adjourn the committee? Raise the motion to adjourn the committee.
Are there any points or motions on the floor? If any such, please raise your hands now. Head of Military Intelligence, you have been recognized.
Motion to suspend committee.
In order.
Delegates, we have finished committee sessions formally over. I'll be going extremely quickly through the confessions right now because we really have to go as chair members, as EP members. Okay, this is not true entirely. This is not true entirely. A lot of people in our committee were first timers as well. Okay, I could do much better Arabic and Russian accent. Whoever is this, please introduce yourself later on in the group.
This is
go. No, this is not.
Otherwise, it's the vice president.
I don't.
Bye, everybody. I'm leaving.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Also, can I just say you both are great chairs. Thank you so much.
Yes,
you were amazing. One of the best chairs ever.
Thank
You
you.
were very lucky to have both of you.
Oh, Vardhan,
You were too.
would have
You
been
were
possible
great.
without you, man. Thank you.
Cheers for
And
the
thank
chairs.
you to the Dhanwant as well.
I have something to tell over here as well. I have something to tell over here as well. This was my first time chairing. So if you guys were happy with it,
Congratulations! Oh my
If you
god!
guys
did
are
really
You
well.
both look like you were the
Entertaining.
first timer in sharing.
Leave.
if you guys
No,
are happy
one
with it, I'm
thing,
glad.
one thing I'll say that the all that I've learned in MUN so far is that the delegates are only as good as the chairs, and this committee was excellent. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Okay,
Something.
before you go, finalize the awards and all. Okay, then you join the thing.
No, all members leave. All members leave.
Next.
All people. No. The breakout rooms are open or what, Vardhan? No, right?
No.
I don't think so. Ask Satvik.
Okay. Anyways,
You can do it on
guys
your own now.
continue.
You can do it on your own now.
Fine. I'll do it quickly. I'll do this quickly. I'm spamming
No,
this now and leaving.
Vardhan,
Okay,
do it properly. No problem. You can continue with the MOE. Continue with it. No problem.
Okay, fine. Okay.
When the
Okay,
devs want to leave, they can.
delegates have
Bias.
Satvik,
You meant
Satvik,
bias?
Did they mean bias?
I think they
They're
meant
based on
bias.
what?
Base means a very good. Base means a very good. Slang.
Okay.
Assumptions.
No.
Satvik,
Go.
Satvik, if you're joining,
Oh my God.
Okay.
Oh,
Not safe.
Oh.
Death is an alternative to communism. Whoa.
Okay, who's
That's
that?
a nice one. That's a nice one.
Next level.
Okay,
Next.
Bharat Mata ki jai, Bharat Mata ki jai,
Bharat
whoever
Mata
you are.
ki
Mata ki
Mata
jai.
ki jai. Okay, SG Navneet is so cute. I let him know that one of the delegates were called Navneet.
How
Um,
is he simping on him here also, man?
Dude, the YouTube comments of
You
the
guys only
opening
saw him a
ceremony.
few times as well about that. That tuxedo,
Oh,
the
God.
black tuxedo, that was like just next level stuff. Okay, I wonder whatever would have
This
happened
is
to me if I had
manpower.
asked one more question in the Israeli
It
cabinet.
was not
I guess
we.
heart attack or panic attack. Seriously, they're so intimidating.
This is probably
We're sorry, whoever this is. We're not intimidating. We're
I
very
know,
nice people.
we had
Please,
no
Yeah, they're
please
very
talk to
nice
us.
people. Whoever's in this, the
Just trying
Israeli
our
cabinet
best.
was honestly, this is my first time chairing, and I've never had a better experience. Even my delegate experience is not as good like as today.
Really?
You guys are,
That means we
Thank you.
gave you an
you guys are
we
seriously
gave
been
you an
awesome
extremely
delegates.
good sharing experience.
By the way,
Okay,
by the way,
next.
yeah. Okay, okay, this is the same. Okay, I drink tea, darling. That's so
Next.
sweet.
Thank you.
That's so
For the
sweet. The
information.
British are coming for you, by the way. The British are coming for you. I already noticed. I already notified them. They'll sell you opium for. I
Same.
miss offline. Don't we all? I mean, I've only attended one offline conference, but then like
I've never attended an
Never
online
attended an
conference.
offline
Never attended a
conference.
single offline conference.
Never.
Offline
I
is
attended
The
3
offline
offline.
conferences were
Offline conferences, MOE is literally just dance. Like,
yeah,
just,
it's not, my every motion in a yeah. What is it, Satvik?
Dhanwant, please join the other thing. Just join that meeting link.
Yeah, I'll join. Tell them I'll join in 2 minutes.
Just join and stay. They don't want anything. They won't kill you. Just join.
Oh, dude, for
Okay.
joining, I have to leave this, right?
No, join from phone. Join from
Join from your phone.
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay, next.
So okay, there's this thing like in the only online conference that I attended, everyone was basically telling one or two people to dance. There were a ton of confessions about one particular girl who everyone was saying was cute. Like it was the entire
That's
confession.
OG. That's an OG offline
Wait,
conference.
Vardhan, do you know like Renwick?
Yes, I don't know Renwick. He's
They're in the
graduated
back.
same batch, but I don't know him personally.
Any committee, any offline conference I went to, he was dancing with the girl in MOE. That's it.
Bro, every single time.
You know,
How?
I just had a prom recently. Okay, I just had a prom recently.
And do you remember?
I didn't go for it. I couldn't go for it because of some reasons. I couldn't go for it. Okay, but apparently Renwick was one of the like best people in that prom for the dancing part.
I mean, he has so much experience, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah, next.
This is in the nicest and most respectful way possible. I'm so scared of Commander of Ground Forces.
My
Okay.
God.
So Commander of Ground Forces, you're now literally
Same.
terrifying figure. Be notified.
Look, after a
Okay.
speech, if she raised the hand, I was like totally terrified.
I was like, it's over.
No
There's no
offense.
point of the speech. Your speech is destroyed. Just go
Manpower
away.
Directorate
I
was
know,
this
right?
close to being
It
assassinated.
was this
Manpower
close, like,
Directorate, man.
this close.
Seriously.
We were nearly about
We
to pass the guy.
we even approved the directive to assassinate you. If only those people like had little more time and they'd given like a concrete like instruction
Plan
how
of
they were going to
action,
do it, right?
See,
We would
if
have gone ahead with it.
bilateral committee sessions didn't happen, this would absolutely
Yeah,
have been
this-
approved.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We were too busy doing this. that I couldn't
Manpower
say.
should become a chair, no cap.
I feel like
Manpower,
this is by him.
how many conferences have you been in so far?
This is my first time.
I'm pretty sure it's his
Guys,
first.
give me 1 minute.
Okay, if
Manpower,
you
this
Who
all
wrote
jokes.
this though?
Please keep participating. Like,
Yeah.
keep
All right.
participating in everyone's.
Going ahead.
Yeah.
Okay.
Members,
Manpower should
please
become a
join the
chair.
awards final
Okay.
closing ceremony. Please join it.
There is
Go
the
ahead.
link.
Yes. We'll do this quickly.
Where
There's
is
10
the
things left.
meeting
I
for
suck,
the
okay.
closing ceremony?
I
Self-loathing.
suck.
We
Hello,
are
am I
meeting in
audible?
Israel JCC.
Yes.
Okay, please join the
Next,
closing
next.
ceremony.
Everyone's
Where is the
done,
meeting
done.
for the closing
Yes.
ceremony?
I am also
Where's the
bisexual.
meeting?
Okay.
Wow.
Wait,
Okay,
what?
I guess.
Damn.
I think I have a low-key crush on Ronak.
Ooh.
First of all, low-key की spelling वाला था ना?
I'm just gonna take the picture for an ego boost. Okay. So
Okay. That's the most good-looking guy in the Arab cabinet. You guys
We
can go ahead and
honestly
take
do
a
not
photo.
know because our videos, most of
Yeah.
the videos were off.
All
What
the
is
games
this?
was on. Wait, what?
Male domination. That's what you're trying to prove here.
I have no clue.
Can
Whoever
we
it
just
is.
go next?
How many IHS delegates here? Around
Many
half
of
the
us,
Israeli
even
cabinet
Half
the
of them.
chairs are IHS delegates.
Why is the
60%
EB
of
application
villages
tab
in
open?
Yeah,
Oh, the EB
yeah, I
application
was
tab is for a
thinking-
different conference. The EB application tab is for a different conference.
Okay, all the best.
don't
Hope
mind
you
that.
get it.
Yeah.
The application period is closed, but the form is still open. So I'm just trying my luck over here. So
Okay,
it's
next.
DXP MUN crisis conference. Okay,
One क्या
BJP is
बकवास
shit.
confession कर रहा है?
Oh, someone went
BJP
political.
is shit.
Too
Oh,
political.
big
I'm
shit,
scared
big
now.
shit, big
Modi
shit,
ji
big
will
shit.
bomb nuke us all of
Next,
us.
next, next. Just go to next.
Okay, Arabs are better.
No,
I'm gonna go.
no,
I'm gonna go.
no,
I'm
No,
gonna
no,
say-
no,
no,
no, no, no, no.
Go.
No.
Yes, yes,
No
yes,
cap,
for
no
sure.
cap. I'm gonna fight
Okay.
a war with the
You are
Bharti.
way better.
Bharti will win it, no cap.
All the best to you, man. You
Yeah, all the
chance
best.
you have.
Divya,
I
share
am
the cake with
scared.
the Arabs. Yes.
No,
That-
this
that's-
is
that's
only
the
for
only reason
Israel.
I'm
Do you
gonna-
want to eat a cake with Israel?
Divya,
It's
Divya
fine.
would get assassinated if she shared the cake with the Arabs.
treason, it's
Alright,
treason.
so I guess that's it. I guess that's it. Now, delegates, please, members, please join the closing ceremony session. I think the link will be sent in your group soon, if it hasn't been sent already.
Congratulations to
Thank
everyone.
you.
Congratulations.
Well done. You were a great
Awards will be
co-chair,
announced
by
over
the
there.
way.
Your
Thank
awards will be
you.
announced over there.
Yeah.
Satvik, shall I send the closing ceremony link? in
Yes,
the
yes,
group?
yes. Join. It's not started yet. Don't worry.
Not started yet.
No, but they want to. Oh wait. Yeah, but you join. Okay, you join. Because they will take time.
Okay.
Okay, guys.
Satvik,
Bye.
by the way, could we meet after this for like a minute or two?